Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 1st, 2025, and it's about 9:40 in the morning. And it's about 84 degrees. Yeah, it's going to be another hot one. Now, there's sun blue in the sky. A lot of small clouds and lines in the sky today. So, it's not going to be as pretty as it was yesterday. But as long as I got sun blue and a lot of sunshine, I'm happy. And it looks like I need to mow the lawn again. Probably add some more water. Gotta keep this green for the kids to play on. And as far as the pasture grass, I'll probably mow it towards the end of the week. Mow it tall. Be nice once I get the fence in and they can graze it. What's the race? Come on, Edith. Honey. Well, I better get busy.